Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata. I'm talking generation 2009 to year 2015. And if you're trying to find where the fuse for the rear view camera, guys, the camera that shows you behind the car when you're reversing, where that fuse is located. Bad news, you actually have two of them. Make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain where each one of them is located and how to replace it. Before we start, let me tell you, if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from, guys, fuses, anything like that, for a really good price and quick shipping. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. You wonder why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, what's the plan now? To make at least 200, guys, electrical and diagnostic videos on this Sonata, guys, and they will be published on the channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Live. And we'll be making more than 300, guys, videos, mechanical videos, taking the car apart, showing you how to replace anything from engine components to bumpers, interior, anything like that. And all that will be published on our main YouTube channel, guys. It's called How to Repair, guys. Check it out. We have helped more than 100 million people, guys. We have information that can practically save you guys thousands of dollars on future car repairs. So, with all that being said, let's explain what we have specifically here. This is, guys, the fuse box that we need to open first. We will explain why. We have one tab here, one there. You need to pull straight up. So, let's go ahead and do that now. We need to get that fuse puller with us. Okay, so you can see you squish it like that and you pull it out, and this is our fuse puller. Let's go ahead and show you what we need to do inside and where actually, okay, that fuse will be located for the rear view camera. You need to come here by the steering wheel. You come down, okay, and actually you have two fuses, as we said, guys. You need to open that cap just like that. Perfect. What we have here specifically, those are the fuses of your Hyundai Sonata. Now, the first one, guys, that we need to check, we need to come to the very top, 1, 2, 3, 4th row, very top fuse. That's this 10 amp fuse. That's the one that we need to pull and check. Okay, let me show you now. Grab it with the fuse puller, pull it out. This is the fuse. Now, if you guys don't know how to test the fuse, I'll recommend to check a video. We'll put the link in the description of the video below. How to know 100% if your fuse is good or bad. Because sometimes you may think it's a good fuse, it doesn't seem like the element is burnt or broken inside. It doesn't mean that the fuse is good. So we made, guys, a special video that explains in just a few seconds how to test it. Check it out. Because if you think that you have a good fuse, you put it in, actually you ended up having a bad fuse, you're going to spend so much time and money trying to fix your car when all we had to do, test the fuse to find out it's bad or replace it just with a new one. And if you want to buy fuses for a really good affordable price, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. So once we replace this one, okay, let me show you what we have specifically. Okay, what we specifically have, another fuse that can control the rear view camera. So coming that way now. Okay, I'm trying to focus here, give me just a second. Okay, perfect. Coming this way, if you look, guys, on the 5th row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that 7.5 amp fuse that we have here, okay, the second fuse, it's known as module 2 fuse, that's the one that you need to check. Check it out, guys, that's the fuse that actually can be responsible for that. So, hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.